Happy Sunday, everyone. We are trying something new today. Jack, stop. I took off both of the leg straps, or I guess that's what you call them, the leg harnesses from the cart, and I just put the belly band on it. And she seems a little bit more comfortable. I even got her eating a little bit. If you can hear Duke, he's being a grump. Him and Jack have beef. So we're going to see if this makes it a little bit more comfortable for her to walk in. So right now we're just going to eat, and then we'll do playtime in a little bit. But I like this band because it's stretchy and it's really soft. And then there's not these, because they bend like that when you put it on. Her little legs don't have to go in between there. So there's really nothing stopping her in the front. But at the same time, there's nothing really supporting her. So you see like this one little leg's kind of creeping out. The other one's doing just fine. She likes to curl her paws under. There we go. So maybe this will make her feel more, I guess, normal without being so pinned up, because she kind of just stands there. She'll move it a little bit, but she's just kind of hanging out. So we'll see if this helps. We'll keep adjusting it until we figure out the best fit for her. That's one good thing about these carts, is you can like custom adjust them. You can custom adjust them. Alright, well, I'm done with this video. Nilla Bean looks like she's about done eating. But you can see she stands up really good. Her back legs are a little curled, so they never are really straight. She can stretch them out, though, but her bones are curved. Alright, well, since you're up, come on. Come get it, Nilla Bean. Come get it, Nilla Bean. Oh, there we go. That was good. Gotta bring your legs up. You gotta bring that leg up. There you go. Alright, I gotta stop the video because we need both. I need both hands. We need both of my hands. You don't get practicing.